Hi, welcome back. How you doing? Today we're going to make a really simple, uncooked pizza sauce. Now, when people make pizza sauce, sometimes they cook it with onions, with garlic, dried oregano, tomato paste. I mean, up to you. This is a raw, simple version which I really like. So here I've got 2 cans of tomatoes. We're going to add to that 1 teaspoon of salt. We're going to add a little bit of olive oil. And then we're going to add some fresh basil. So I've got a nice kind of hefty handful there. You can play around with that as much as you want. I've got one of these guys. What we're going to do is we're going to get in and we're going to give it a whiz. Now we're going to whiz it up, but I don't want it to be super thin. A few little bits of tomato in there are delicious. Okay, and that's it. Wonderful. A few little bits of chunky tomato in there, so it's not like a super smooth paste, but that's lovely. For me, that's a beautiful, simple tomato sauce we can use for our pizzas. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.